Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Nova Y61 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, we have to open the settings, so let's do it, and now simply find sounds and vibration. Now we have to scroll down to this ringtone section, and as you can see we can change the ringtone for calls, and here we've got this option. As you can see, it is also divided between two different SIM cards, which simply means that you can set different ringtone for the first one and the second to the second one. We've got also the messaging tone and notification tone. I'll show you how to change the ringtone using the phone ringtone itself. Of course it will work the same with all other options. So let me pick the phone ringtone, as you can see, and as I said, here you can pick particular SIM card for which you want to change the ringtone. I will stick with the first option. And before I'll show you, here we've got some options which you can also customize the vibrations, so you can pick different vibration modes. As you can see, we've got a lot of them. Music on device, which simply means that by going there you can pick the ringtone which is on your device, but for example download it from the internet. Of course, if it will be compatible, it will appear right here and you will be able to set it as a ringtone. The same situation from the video ringtones. And here under it you've got some preset options, so we've got defaultly installed options from which we can choose, and at the very bottom we've got the option none, which simply means that after picking it your device will not use any kind of sound in order to notify you about the incoming call. So it's up to you if it is useful or not. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. And let me volume it down just a little bit. We don't need it that loud. And basically this is how it works. So just tap on it and listen. And if you're happy with your choice, just make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Huawei Nova Y61. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.